Consistency beats talent. It beats talent. Work hard. Be consistent. This is the reason why your video will go viral. Creating a YouTube channel nowadays, it seems it becomes very difficult to make it on YouTube channel nowadays. But guys, I want you to believe one thing. If you want to create a YouTube channel and you want to make it, I think it is very, very possible. Yes, I said it is possible because this is something I have done before. I have created a lot of YouTube channels and I have deleted so many because they are not growing. They are not growing. But guys, it seems I'm doing something very, very wrong. And I don't want you to do the same thing. Do not do the same thing if you actually want to make it on this YouTube platform. Because creating a YouTube channel, I think it is now a 6 step whereby we need to be following step by step. It is not something of the olden days whereby, we just create a YouTube channel, come there, post anytime you like. No, guys, if you actually want to be successful, if you actually want to grow your YouTube channel, I think you have a lot of things to be doing. Number one thing is get to know your niche. I'm telling you the facts. Know the kind of niche you are. Now, as a YouTuber, I know my niche is YouTube growth. I actually want to be giving people tips on how to grow their YouTube channel. Now I have defined my niche. What you need to be doing is study how this niche works. Whatever niche you are into on the YouTube platform, it is better for you to study how the niche works. Study other people who have been in the same niche as you, because it is very, very important. The way they are posting their video, the way they are titling their video, the way they are scheduling their post, I think it is very, very important for you to grow on this YouTube channel. So getting to know your niche. Do not just post randomly. Know your niche. Your niche is very, very important. If you are talking about ball, continue to talk about ball. If you are talking about politics, continue to talk about politics, and always define your goals. Make it clear. Let the audience to be able to know why you are posting this video, so that the YouTube algorithm will be able to identify your audience and post your video to them. So today, go and discover your niche and note it, and always stick to your niche. Now, another thing I actually want to share with you is, after discovering your niche, I think the best thing is for you to search what actually works on YouTube. Because you creating a video, you should know that you want people to watch it. Then how are people going to search your video? It is very, very important. That's why I'm saying this. Now, if you enter the YouTube platform, the app, if you type into the search bar, you will discover that whichever word you type, there will be some kind of suggestion word under it. These are the keywords other people are searching, and this keyword is very, very rich. So what you just need to do is get a copy of these keyword clips, get their copy, write them down, then make videos on them. The moment people come to the YouTube platform to search the kind of video and they type in the kind of keywords you have already made into your video, I think it is very, very important. Your video will be ranked. People will get to see your videos. So it is very, very important for you to make some research on the keywords people are using based on your niche. Yes, it is very, very important to know the kind of the keyword people are searching. Let's take for an example. This video, as it is made for YouTube growth, I think what I just need to do is get the keywords on the YouTube growth, gather them into my videos, gather them into the descriptions, gather them and make videos on them. And then the moment people search YouTube growth, my video will just pop up. This is the secret for growing on YouTube channel. So it is very, very important for you to do some kind of key reward search. So I think this is another tip you actually need to do if you actually want to grow on YouTube. And another thing is, guys, you can't be creating content and be imitating other people. Do not copy too much. Just be original. Say your content. Make people watch. Make people feel free. You feel free to tell people the solution you have to offer for their problem, because people who come to watch video on YouTube, they are there to solve their problem. So your main objective as a YouTuber is to create a solution that will actually solve those problems. So it is very, very important for you to be original, be free, talk, do not copy. Always improve your content, improve your idea. This will continue to grow your channel, because people will continue to trust you. They will continue to come back to watch your video. They will subscribe. So it is very, very important for you to be original. Do not copy. I'm telling you, people who copy today, if you make video today and you copy, tomorrow you will still copy. Next tomorrow you will still copy. So it is better for you to just say things the way you can say it. So it is very, very important for you to always improve your content, improve your idea, get people attention, get them watch your video, let them stay for longer period of time to watch your video. And YouTube will say, oh, this video is fantastic, let's show it to another people. This is the reason why videos are getting virals, are getting more and more views, because when one person watch it and share it to another person, guys, your video is bound to go viral. So always be original, do not copy. This is the strategy. Now another thing I actually want to tell you is be consistency. Consistency matters a lot. Let's take for an example. You create a shop and your job is to provide a service for people. And let's say this is a mechanic shop whereby you are there, you are repairing a motorcycle, and today customer come to visit you. Let's say 3 customers came to visit you, you repair their motorcycle. Next tomorrow, 10 come, upper next tomorrow, like 10 people comes. But by next week, you can't decide to say, oh, it seems I'm not going to the workshop today. And moreover, like 30 people will visit you by that next week and you are not present at the shop. Will these people actually trust you? They will not trust you anymore. They will say, oh, after coming the first day, they don't see you. The second day, they don't see you. The third day, they don't see you. Guys, they will leave your channel and go to another place. That's it. So it is very, very important for you to be consistent. Always post regularly at your regular schedule. If it is 2 times in a week you actually want to be posting your video, make it 2 times. And if it is 3 times, if it is every day, do it every day. I think it is very, very important. Always be consistent, because I just studied one channel and the girl has been posting video for a while. He has been posting video like almost every day. But I just discovered that after 1 month, no video, 7 months, no video. And right now he's there to post video today. Guys, people will not watch it much because she only ranked just few views, and person who's having like 33,000 subscribers, and who watch the latest video is no more than, let's say, 800 people. And you see the result. That's why it is very, very important for you to always be consistent. Consistency beats talent. It beats talent. Work hard. Be consistent. This is the reason why your video will go viral. So creating a YouTube channel, it is a business which you need to continue to run every day and every day. So this is the YouTube tips. This is how you grow a YouTube channel. There is no any other secrets. Yes, no any other secrets. After you study what works, you do this keyword research, and you're always consistent, you're original, you are doing what people actually likes, people stay for a longer period of time to watch your video. So what else do you want again? This is how your content is going to go viral, your channel is going to blow up, and you will become successful on this YouTube platform. So guys, if you find this video very helpful, this is a YouTube tip for growth, YouTube growth. Guys, I hope you subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell, so that anytime I upload video, you'll be part of those that watch it first. Thank you guys.
Yeah.